The map has several options for viewing your fleet information. If you're in fleet tracking and you've tracked a group or just one vehicle, the first option at the top right is Stop Watching, which stops the software from following the vehicle's events in real time. You can start Watch Live again by clicking Start Watching. This icon pulls up the Settings dialog box. In this, you can change the icons on the map to display either the image representing the last event the vehicle reported to Synovia, the default setting, or the type of vehicle it is, such as bus or truck. The next icon will display the map full screen. Press Escape to exit this view. If you've scrolled away from what you like to view, like this option recenters the map on the selected vehicle or group. As I've just demonstrated, you can also move your view of the map by clicking and dragging. This icon turns on or off the labels on the vehicles. You can click the Find Location button to search for a specific address. Type part of the address in the address box, and possible matches will appear in the box below. Click the correct address and click Map Location. The map will zoom in on the specified location. The next map option shows zones in your area. When you click it, the Zone Categories dialog box will appear. Select the category of zones you want to display and click Close. The zones will appear on the map. Map Legend pulls up a list that shows what each map icon means. You can right-click any spot on the map and select Location Details. The address and latitude and longitude coordinates will appear in a pop-up at the bottom left of the map. Click here to close the pop-up.